Hey guys, welcome to the 7 days challenge. What we are doing here is we are trying to make our first $100 within 7 days. Okay, so I'm giving you every day a step by step, procedure, a process that you have to do. So we are already done with day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. If you haven't watched it, watch it, do the homeworks, then come to day 5. Okay, and day 1 to day 3 was a little hectic, was a little, something that you would actually need to time. But after day 4 things become very simple because you've already done the hard work. You've created your funnel, you've chosen your lead magnet, you've created your lead magnet, you have chosen your niche industry. Every hard work you've done. All now you need to do is you now need to do consistent content. Okay, you need to show up to your audience. They won't be remembering you forever, right? Okay, so for example, if you come in front of them today, maybe after one day, okay, every alternate day you come in front of them, or maybe twice or thrice in a week, okay, that is good enough. But then at least show up. Okay, people should know that you exist. You must be sharing consistent value with your customers. Then only they're going to trust you, right? Then only they're going to actually look up to you. And there are many actually students who actually wait for your content. They are constantly commenting that when are you going to post your next video, when are you going to come next, okay, what is this, what is that. They actually start liking you and trusting you so much that they actually wait for your content. They actually wait to see you every day, right? So this is the kind of brand that you have to create in one of the platform. As I told you that there can be an ecosystem, but that is a little difficult, and I won't be able to discuss it in the 7 days this thing. But if you are actually looking for that initial traction, just start with one platform: Instagram, YouTube, Facebook profile, TikTok, whatever you want. Just start with one platform. Okay, now the main and the most important thing you need to do is that you have to create content. And this is actually the simplest step, but most people fail here. Most people just stop here. I don't want you to stop because we are doing it together. Okay, so I don't want you to stop. So what you have to do is that since you've already done the hard work, you've already created a system, now it is so simple. All you have to do is you have to create content. Okay, and there's tons of content out there. Why do you have to figure it out all yourself? I'll show you a very beautiful tip. Okay, so the exact procedure that is there in my $100 ebook, that is not a $100 ebook, that's a free ebook, but the link to that is given as $100 ebook, how to make your first $100 in 7 days. Okay, so you'll be able to see on page number 10 how you can actually do it. I'll tell you here also, but after you are done, download the ebook and see there how exactly it is done. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is when you have actually chosen a platform that you like, look at the people in your niche, okay, who are doing well with their accounts. Maybe on Instagram you are seeing someone's reels again and again. See the kind of videos they are creating, okay, and the videos that is getting like high traction. Maybe some videos won't get so much attention, maybe some videos will get a lot of attention. So what you have to do is you have to just take inspiration and give it your story, give it your personality, and try creating the content. So you don't have to look at the blank screen and start from scratch. Okay, you can actually go to accounts of your competitors or people you actually like and look up to. Okay, and then see the kind of content they are creating. Whatever you feel like that, yes, you can create this, just pick it up and create it. Okay, for the exact steps you can just download my ebook. It's a free ebook. You can go, and on page number 10 you'll be able to see an exact step by step system that you can actually do, and you'll be able to do it. Okay, so content is not should not be a problem for you, as I've shared everything with you. So just do it. Okay, and finally I'll be teaching you. Just we are almost done. Okay, we have already done the hard work. Now we are just ready to actually reap the benefits. Okay, so be consistent with your content, and I will see you on day 6.